Hi everyone, welcome to Wednesday. Let's have a look at our rainbow chart and see what we've got on today. We're going to start off with reading. We'll be learning about the ow sound, just like in the word out and the word loud. So you can see in the word loud, it's got the OU sound pattern. Look, ow, d, loud. Just like in the word out, ow, t, out. Your job today is to try and spell some words with the ow sound in them. Listen carefully to the video of Miss Fawkes on our Lavella at Home site reading the words to you. Because today is Wednesday, that means we've got handwriting. You need to practice how neat you can write the letters for handwriting. Remember to sit up nice and straight. Hold your pencil just slightly with the correct pencil grip. And make sure you're really watching that your letters are sitting carefully on the correct lines. After writing, we've got numeracy. For numeracy, you're going to be continuing on with learning division. But today you'll be learning some worded problems. To solve worded problems, sometimes it's easier to look for the key words, such as how many objects you start with and how many people you need to share between. So for example, I've written a worded problem here. It says Jack had 4 apples. He shared 2 apples with Lucy. How many apples does Jack have now? So you can see that I've circled my key numbers and my key words. So 4, 2, and this word shared. That gives me a clue that it's division because we're sharing. So it's 4 apples shared between 2. So we start with our 4 apples. We're sharing between 2 people. So I've got Lucy here's one person and Jack's my second person. When you're sharing, you need to make sure you're sharing them equally. So we start with 4 apples. I'm going to give 1 apple to Lucy, which means I've then got to give 1 apple to Jack. So that's 2. Another apple for Lucy, that's 3. The last apple goes to Jack. So I've shared 4 apples between 2 people. To work out the answer to the question, you need to count how many apples are in one group. So here's Lucy's group. She's got 2 apples. So 4 apples shared between 2 people equals 2 apples each. To finish off the day, you have physical activity. You get to jump high and jump low. Make sure you have lots of fun outside in the sun. Have a great day, you two. Bye.